Hey, this is Hans. It's time for another Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the show where I scarf down something spicy. And today I've got something coming back for a repeat because I'm just in the mood for it. This is Mom's Dry Noodle Spicy Szechuan Pepper, aka Mala Spicy. As you can see, I fully endorse this product. They've got licensing to put my image or logo on it. So that's pretty cool. And I've got it right there. So if you're wondering what I've slapped on here, I've got a tea egg, I've got some pork, I've got a little bit of sesame seed, and I've got some spring onion. Because honestly, who wants to eat just a straight bowl of noodles? You gotta garnish it. You have to. I don't care what anybody says. Ready, set, go. Definitely spicy. And definitely what I'm in the mood for today. So as you say, this is the first ever redo, not really a redo, but a revisitation of a spicy noodle that was on Spicy Noodle Mukbang. Just because I had another pack of it. And it sounded really good. So right here is a tea egg, basically an egg that sat there and been marinated in tea. Ergo, tea egg. Well, this one's been sitting in my fridge a little while. It says they're good till November, so smells like the other one did. And the last time I had one, it was really good. But it's sitting on the, it's been sitting upright in a bag behind some cans and stuff, so it's a little dented. So wish me luck. Yeah, that's safe. That is safe. We're good. Hey Miles, why don't you come over here? Check out the camera. He is so anti being on any of my shows now. I don't know what happened. Miles, why did the band break up, man? You want to look at the camera and the screen? So I've been doing all this walking, and people have been asking. They're like, "What's your diet?" And I'm like, my daily diet. It's not this, or pork or eggs or anything like that. But so many people have asked. I'm just gonna do a video that goes over what I eat, what I've been doing. I'm thinking I'll maybe try recording that tomorrow. We'll see. That'll be difficult because if I'm gonna set up the green screen and everything, I'm gonna wanna do top 10 lists too. And if I wanna do top 10 lists too, that means tomorrow morning, I've gotta write up some top 10 list action and get it all ready. It's like I'll do that video and I'll do two top 10s at least. I wouldn't mind getting the top 10 cups, top 10 bowls, and bottom 10 list all recorded tomorrow. Because once it's recorded, all I gotta do is just make time to do the editing, right? So that's not too bad. But lately, it's just been hard. I wasn't able to get myself out of bed until like freaking 5:30 or 6 in the morning all last week. And the week before, I think. Just beat. This week, been hitting it. Productivity really makes me happy, so when I'm not productive, I'm not really happy about that. Although we've been doing a lot of walking, I think in the last week, actually today, and I have both of them at home. So I've got this room here, and then I've got the bedroom. So what I have to do is go from like over there, all the way out there, and back and forth and back and forth. I know it sounds like an insane asylum, but did that, talked to a friend on the phone for a couple hours, and ended up getting over 13,000, I think it was actually over 14,000 steps today. So that's really not bad. I think I had like almost 2 hours active minutes and all that. So that's right where I normally would be right now. But walking back and forth like a caged animal in an apartment, that's just not my thing. I don't really like that as much. It's a totally different kind of walking too, because of the fact that I've got small children, and there's a dog, and there's toys. Paw prints? Ladies and gentlemen, Miles. Say hi, Miles.
Hi.
How you doing? Those are these noodles. Oh, you're gonna put Legos in the noodle bag. Cool. Here, hop up. Come say hi. Say hi to the throng of onlookers. Do you like noodles?
No. Just Legos.
But yeah, this is super good. Mom's Dry Noodle also makes this stuff called Dan Dan Noodle, which right now, and last year as well, has been on the my top 10 list of all time. So that's a pretty high bar. But yeah, I visited that company in 2016, and we went to their factories and the noodle factories where they get their noodles from, and it was rad. I love Taiwan. That visit right there solidified that someday I'd like to call Taiwan home. Done. There he is. Hi. This has been Hans. And that was Miles. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.